Welcome to Agara Life, where wellness meets opportunity. Every cup, every connection, and every moment can help you build the life you've always wanted. And it all starts with our powerful compensation plan, designed to reward both new and experienced entrepreneurs with fast income, long-term residuals, and exciting lifestyle bonuses. At the heart of Agara Life is our community. Customers shop retail and enjoy our premium products. Members unlock discounts, perks, travel deals, and even free products with our 3 for Free program. And here's where it gets exciting. When you decide to become an ambassador, you can turn your love for the products into a real income stream. As an ambassador, there are 8 powerful ways to earn. The first is customer commission. Beginning with our 2026 launch, you'll earn 20% of commissionable volume, or CV, on every customer order placed through your site. This commission is paid on orders from your personal customers and from the customers they refer to the end of your customer tree. The next way to earn is through membership residual bonuses. As you refer members and those members refer new members, your customer base will grow, and many will become members for the perks, convenience, and savings. As you build your membership base, you'll also begin to earn a monthly residual bonus for maintaining that customer and member base. 10 members equals $100, 20 members equals $250, 30 members equals $500, 50 members equals $1,000 every month. The more members referred, the bigger your residual bonus grows, rewarding you for long-term customer relationships. Live right now, during our founder period beginning, you can earn the following bonuses for building your business. First order bonus. Get up to $200 when new ambassadors enroll with a value or bulk package. 5x value pack equals $30. 12x bulk pack equals $100. 24x bulk pack equals $200. Infinity bonus. Become Infinity coded after you achieve a minimum of 700 personal qualifying volume, or PQV, and your first 3 personally enrolled ambassadors each reach a minimum of 700 PQV. Now, every new personally enrolled ambassador or customer who enrolls with a value or bulk pack not only pays you a first order bonus, but also an infinity bonus. For example, after your first 3, if you personally enroll 3 new ambassadors with a 12x value pack, you'll earn a $100 first order bonus plus a $100 infinity bonus on each enrollment. That's $600 in bonuses. But that's just the beginning. When your ambassadors enroll their 3, and this continues down through unlimited depth, you earn infinity bonuses on each new enrollment to infinity. Imagine the potential. Binary cycle bonus. As you sponsor new ambassadors, they'll be placed on either your left or right team. As they do the same, your 2 teams will begin to build. Starting at bronze rank or higher, each time 200 CV on one side matches 100 CV on the other, you earn a cycle bonus. Starting at bronze, you can earn up to $20 per week. At emerald, up to $1,000 per week. At diamond, up to $3,000 per week. At blue diamond, up to $10,000 per week. At black diamond, up to $25,000 per week. And up to $50,000 per week at triple crown black diamond. Binary matching bonus. Ruby and above ranks earn a percentage match on your team's binary income, up to 7 levels deep. Your first level starts at 10% and goes all the way to 20% as you advance to blue diamond and higher. You will also begin to unlock additional levels as you advance to emerald, sapphire, diamond, blue diamond, black diamond, up to 7 levels at crown diamond. Global Builder Pool. For our active team builders, we've created the monthly Global Builder Pool. Every month, 1% of all company CV is contributed to this pool, and qualified team builders can earn shares of this pool. For every 3 personally sponsored ambassadors who become Infinity eligible with 700 PQV, you'll earn 1 share in the pool. The more you build, the more shares you collect, and the bigger your reward. Diamond Car Bonus. Finally, achieve diamond rank and above, and Agara Life rewards you with $500 up to $5,000 monthly toward the car of your dreams. At Agara Life, we believe opportunity should be simple, accessible, and life-changing. As an ambassador, you'll unlock a world of support, community, and products people truly can't live without. Now is the time to take your next step as a founding ambassador. Join us, share the mission, and start building a lifestyle of balance, freedom, and abundance. Agara Life. Our mission: elevate life.